Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and in today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create custom wrappers for the mini moon pies. We're going to be working over on Canva. So if you're interested in learning how to create custom wrappers for the mini moon pies, make sure you watch the entire video. If you find the video helpful, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned. Alright guys, to get started, you want to head on over to canva.com and log into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. You can select the shortcut option, which is the menu here, or you can go up to create a design, scroll down to custom size, make sure it's in inches, and you want your page size to be 8.5 by 11, and select create a new design. Once your blank page pulls up, we can create our template. Head on over to elements, scroll down to shapes, all right, now that we have created our template, we can move on to creating our design. You will be able to fit 2 labels on this full-size sheet of paper. You want to head on over to your Uploads tab and upload any images, clip arts that you want to use in your design. If you have the Pro Edition of Canva, you can save your images and clip arts in folders to help you keep them organized. You can add text by selecting the text tab here. So I'm about to quickly create a design. I'm going to print and I'm going to assemble. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. You can find the links to the materials that I use to assemble in the description box down below. I have a special discount code for the Koala photo paper that I use, and I also have a free 30-day Canva Pro trial for my YouTube viewers. You can click my affiliate link in the description box down below to get that 30 days of Canva Pro. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. See you next time. Bye.